Are you interested in creating these masterpieces? Then it's your lucky day. Let's get into it. But wait. I'm giving a chance to 5 lucky subscribers. All you have to do is find all 3 parts of the secret code hidden in this video and drop them in the comments below. You might already know about Clipfly AI. It's a perfect tool for video production. It's packed with different artificial intelligence elements that are useful for every creator. By the way, I'm Kai, and I'll help you on today's journey inside the new features of Clipfly. Today, we're going to explore a new video generation tool called Veo 3. I'll show you how to use it to put your own character directly inside the video and even swap faces. We've always been the third person out of the frame. But today, I'll show you how to make yourself the main hero of the story. Clipfly AI comes with different tools, like Veo 3 and Flux, offering various modes such as element combination. The user interface is simple and friendly, making it a breeze to use. If you ever get stuck, you can always count on the provided inspiration. You can use it easily with just a click. Since you're not into wasting time, let's create something real quick. I wanted movement, so I picked this subject. We just need to include a few pieces of information. First, the angle. Next, the item's properties. And after that, you need to describe the environments and movements. At the end, you can add audio if you need it, as I did. But for this single example, it's not necessary. I created the video, and this is the result. As promised, let's get to the main character part. If you have a video with a face in it, you can easily make your own version with face swaps. For example, I've got a Veo 3 video of a woman in a red dress. How do we make ourselves the woman in the video? It's simple. Just upload the video, then upload a clear photo of your face, and the magic happens. You might need to pay 1 credit per second for each swap. As you can see, the result is almost perfect. But no AI is completely flawless, so you might need to try it a few times with different photos to reach the best quality. If you have an image, you can use the photo swap feature we talked about in the previous video. If you didn't see that one, I'll provide the link for you. You can also use the sample videos provided by Clipfly. I created another one for you from these samples. Let's see the result. Clipfly has also added a new feature, the music generator. I believe this thing is awesome and has a bright future. You can easily create lyrics with the help of AI by using commands like verse and chorus, or you can even write your own lyrics yourself. I might provide instructions on creating lyrics in future. And the final part belongs to the movie maker. A new feature Clipfly AI recently provided. You can easily add what you have in mind, or use inspirations to get started. After the generation is finished, it will give you a script that you can change as you see fit. Once you're done, it leads you to another page where the scenarios are created. Now, you can either create an image for each part or directly use the video generation. You can also leverage different AI generation models. Having all these tools and models together is what makes Clipfly worth trying. And it's not over yet. You have a chance to win credits just by commenting your opinion. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck. Love you, Kai.